Hey. Savvy the best, these niggas opposite, they gon' stay broke. That shit is obvious, I don't do coke. I smoke exotic, it might make you cough, some even vomit. Bitch, I'm a star, you niggas comments, just read in the comments. You in astonishment, we come from shooters and killers and robbers, but we gon' do more just to show up the dollar. Still aim at your collar and headpiece. I don't talk much, let the bread speak. I'm trying to stop eating red meat. If it's beef, I turn you into dead meat. My father and uncles prepared me, plus all of my niggas is carefree. We been through a lot, they want me to stop, I cannot. I'm typing out bars on my watch, they come from the heart. They come from the heart. Hey, bitch, I am Adam Sandler with the fizzy bubbly. All my bitches love me, but I still remember when they didn't want me. If I shave, she probably gon' think I'm ugly. In the past, I would've gave her another chance. Now I am doing the shmoney dance. I could care less if I lose it all, cause I know how to come up again. Hey, I know how to come up again. I'm trying double the money spent, I'm trying quadruple the money made. Turn on my clouds in the sunny days. It's not what you giving, it's what you take. Turn them lemons into Minute Maid.